Ryan Little.
How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are having a good day. It's been a minute. I'm sorry. I'm back. Let's get this started, okay? So first thing off the bat, if my voice sounds hoarse, it's because I'm kind of under the weather right now. I have been for the past couple days, so I apologize for that in advance. A lot has happened, as you can tell from the intro. I went ahead and put the engine back together on the truck. Long story short, I had to pretty much put everything back on because I needed to use the truck. Still got stock injectors. Still waiting on the injectors. ARP head stud job is good. I put this back together last night, and I've been driving it for about a day now. No issues. I've been checking I've been checking everything. Everything checks out good so far. It's weird. It feels like it's been a minute since I've been able to talk to you guys, so I'm glad and happy right now to be able to make this video. But like always, if you enjoy this video, please do me a favor and give me that thumbs up and that like. I have been trying to make moves while I've been away from the camera scene and putting videos up on YouTube. I've been talking to a lot of companies, been trying to get things going in terms of promoting and growing the channel even more. First thing right off the bat, today's video, I'm going to wash the truck because she's been sitting for almost a month. She's filthy. It's driving me crazy. It's been raining all last week. The weather's been shitty. Finally got a couple days of clear skies, so I'm going to go ahead and get her cleaned up, get her looking good. But right off the bat, we have a new sponsor on the channel, okay? This is a new car care, I'm not going to say new car care company. They're an established car care company based out of New York, but they've, I came across them on Instagram, and I saw their products, and I was like, man, it's good stuff, you know. And I talked to the owner back and forth for a while, and we were finally able to strike up a deal where they're willing to work with me, I'm willing to work with them, and in the end result, show you guys about their products, okay? So first thing off the bat, the name of the company is called Limitless Car Care. They went ahead and sent me out a couple of products. Now, first off, I paid for these, but second off, they sent me out some products. I've seen glorious pictures on the Instagram, and I know you can sugarcoat it and stuff on Instagram, but nonetheless, I've seen and I've heard so much good things about this company, and I just wanted to extend this out to you guys because you may not know about it. They also were kind enough to give me a custom promo code for the channel. It's going to be Everything Diesel. The promo code will be in the bottom of the screen somewhere, and it'll also be a description down below along with a link to their website, okay? So with that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to wash her up. I also bought a new foam cannon. So I got a new foam cannon. It's an Amazon one. I got a new foam cannon. Let me show y'all real quick. Alright, so right off the bat, we got my pressure washer hose. I went ahead. I got a Sun Gel pressure washer. For those of y'all that didn't know, it works good for me. I have no problems with it. I went online, ordered a 25-foot extension for it. So now no longer, if you ever wash my truck, you see me dragging the pressure washer around the truck. No more. We have a hose long enough to reach everywhere. I mean, this thing is all the way in the garage. Check that out. All right, over here, I already set up the new foam cannon. I got this off of Amazon. Links will be down below like always. So if you want to check this out, I think I paid like 20 bucks, 25 bucks for this foam cannon. And there's actually a trick how to get thick foam out of the cheap Amazon eBay foam cannon. I can show you guys at the end of this video, or if I forget to, just comment down below asking for that video and I'll be more than happy to show it to you. It's really simple. It actually involves something inside of there called an orifice. So put that there. I already got that pre-mix. I'm real curious to see how that's going to work. So what we got over here, okay, first thing we got some Limitless Lather, which is their soap. It's a pH balance, or it's pH neutral, which means that it will not create water spots on your truck. So you can wash your truck in the sunlight. You can wash it in the middle of the day. If it dries up, all you got to do is rinse it off. You're good to go. This is good if you already got your car a sealant or some type of coating on it already. This is really good. It won't strip your wax, your sealant, your ceramic. It won't pull none of that stuff. Next up, and I've actually already used this middle one on my wife's Jeep. This is called a Cockpit Care. This is just a overall interior dressing. really good. It smells like eucalyptus leaves / mint, so it's really cool. I like that. And then the last one we got, and this is really what I'm looking forward to, is called Grip Gloss, which is pretty much their tire dressing. This is, I believe this is a water-based formula. Water-based formula tire shines are good because you don't get the sling. And for all you guys with the big tires like me, man, you know, with the sticking out and slinging, the tire shine all on the side of the truck, especially in a white truck, you know, that pisses me off all the time. So we're going to be testing out that tire shine to make sure it's not super slingy or super greasy or anything like that. So I think we're going to be impressed with all of these products. Never used them before. Well, I used this one a couple days ago, but never used the wash, never used the Grip Gloss. Now, what are you looking for when you're trying to get a high quality car wash soap? What are you looking for is lubricity, okay? That is the purpose of using a soap. And so that way you are not rubbing all of the dirt and the grit inside of your paint. You're not rubbing that all into the paint and scratching it. The more lubricity you have on the paint, the less chances you have of scratching it. Now, on a white vehicle, it is nowhere near as noticeable, but when you start getting to the dark blacks, the metallics, those gray metallics, any dark colors, purples, whatever you have it, that's when it gets real noticeable. And a foam cannon combined with a high quality wash soap is going to prevent that, and it's going to minimize that to the max. Okay, now you can't prevent all of it, but nonetheless, we're going to check it out. We're going to test it and see if it is true to his word. All right.
Ryan Little.
Holy shit. Wow. That, I don't know if you guys could tell in the camera, but that was super thick. Was not expecting that. This is how it looks, though, foam down right now. I'm going to start washing it. I'm not going to show washing it just because you guys see me do that tons of times. But that, okay, now some of you might say, like, well, you don't want all the foam to run off. Two things. One, keep in mind I have a sealant on here, so there is some hydrophobic properties left on the paint. Two, by the foam running down, that's going to pull all the loose dirt and stuff down off your paint, which means the less chance of you scratching something on your paint. But holy shit, man, that foam cannon, oh my goodness, man, that cannon was like, it's like it was fucking skeeting all over my truck, man. God damn. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start washing now. I got the bucket soaped up, filled up. Quick disclaimer, usually I always wash my wheels and stuff first and then I do the body, but because I'm making a video, I got good light, I wanted to be able to show you guys me you know, doing the stuff. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'll let y'all get a real quick peek on this side too. Man, that stuff is, wow, super impressed. And I mean, you could say it's unbiased or not, I don't care, but when it comes to soap, I like to go on the heavier side because I love the foam. I know sometimes people stick to what they recommend, like 2 ounces or 1.5 ounces, but I don't care. It's soap, you know what I'm saying? So same way you wash your body with soap, same thing with your truck, you know what I'm saying? So all right, get this girl. All right, you guys. So a lot of time went by. I had to stop what I was doing because I had some stuff to take care of. But I finished it. I finished washing the truck. We're here at the gas station right now. Probably can tell-ish. The truck is washed up. We're gonna go ahead and fill her up, and after we fill her up, I'm gonna pull. There's like a little do-yourself car wash right on the corner, so I'm gonna pull in there because they got a bunch of lights so you guys can see the truck. It came out pretty good. It was just basic wash and dry with a little detail spray. So I'll let y'all see it in a little bit. When in doubt, whip it out. Just giving a little sample while we fill up. Diesel right now is about $2.74 a gallon. It's going up slowly. It was down at one point about $2.50 something. And that was a good time, but I guess that's over with. So on the side note, while it's filling up, I'm topping her off because she's been sitting for about a month. I burned the last little bit of old fuel diesel that was in it, although diesel has a really long storage life. I don't know, I just like to keep fresh fuel in my truck, so I'm topping her off right now. We poured the AMS oil in it, so we should be good for about another 2 weeks. Alright guys, we pulled up to the spot. Hopefully there is enough lighting to where I can, you can be able to see it decently. I tried my best. Probably should have did at the gas station, but too many creeps were looking at me, so let me show y'all what we did. Alright, there we go. So everything's said and done. I'm really impressed. I used their wash and the tire shine, the tire grip from Limitless Car Care, and I'm really impressed with it. It did not sling, and I actually did it intentionally. I put it on right before I left the house when it was the wettest to see if it would sling, and it did not sling. You get as close as possible. There's no stains, all right? But she needed this wash because she's a dirty girl. You need to get her polished, man. Swirl marks. So it came out good. I approve of this. I like this. I even sprayed some of it in here. You can't see it, but I sprayed the grip gloss in there. I get a lot of you guys ask me what headlights do I use. So right off the bat, aux beam fog lights on the bottom, aux beam light bar in the middle, and my low beam lights are from Last Fit. Okay, LASFIT. I have links to all of my lights, even the cab lights. I have links to it in the videos down below if you ever want to check it out. Tow mirrors are got those from eBay. So I'm gonna be doing a video here soon about things that are done to my Cummins. You guys know I've been slammed, man. So she came out good. I apologize for it being nighttime. Like I said, I got caught up in doing stuff. So I just want you guys to be able to check her out. Damn. Also, if you're wondering about the cab lights, they're also from Amazon, 35 bucks. They don't leak. None of the bulbs have humidity in them or condensation. They do what they do right there. So you can witness it. All right. Sweet. All right, you guys. So hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to go ahead and cut this video out. It was good talking to you guys. Good making a video. It feels good to be back in the game. I feel like I've been out here for a minute. I'm still not up to 100%. Health-wise, but I'll get there slowly and surely. So once again, if you stuck it out to the end of this video and you like the video, please go ahead and give me a like on the channel. It helps out a ton. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe because we got a lot of cool content coming within the near future. Also, if you're interested in any of the products that I use today in today's video from Limitless Car Care, check out their website. Link will be down below in the description box, along with a custom promo code to save you 15% on anything you order off of their store. I think it just has to be like 16 ounces or bigger, which is like the normal size they have. Okay, so once again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. Love you. Take care. Peace.